up? Good morning, guys. Josh here. Today we're going to be working on the Silvia S14. This one's right-hand drive if you guys are new to the channel, and we're going to be changing the oil today. So I do have a brand new Nissan oil filter which we're going to install, and I've got an oil filter relocation kit. I've already removed the old filter. This is the model number of the new filter that I have. I got the oil cap out. Let's go ahead and crawl underneath. Let's drain it. Before we get underneath here, let's go ahead and change the oil filter. I've got that O-ring pre-lubed. Was super dirty.
I don't have friends. I got family.
And just looking underneath here while changing the oil, I noticed that there's a lot of red RTV, which to me doesn't look factory RTV. It looks like the engine has, I don't know if somebody's gotten into it and maybe rebuilt it. This thing does have the bigger aftermarket TD06 turbo kit, so maybe somebody got into the engine and actually put in different pistons and could have forged internals for all I know. Go ahead and put our oil in. I love this oil funnel. I ordered it at Amazon. They don't have it anymore. But man, it makes things so much easier just to be able to screw that right into the valve cover. You guys that follow the channel, just a quick update on the Silvia with you guys. Recently changed the oil. Had trouble finding an oil filter that matched. I figured I'd just go ahead and order a standard Silvia SR20DET Nissan oil filter, but it actually didn't fit because this has an oil relocation kit. The threading didn't match. This was actually too big. It wouldn't thread on. This is the model number I took out of there. I looked up the model number online. It actually goes to a K car in Japan, and I couldn't find one to order, so that left me with going to Walmart, which easily found one, so it worked out. What I did is I just went to Walmart. I took this oil filter with me so I'd have a ring guide size, and then after I removed the other oil filter, I used the screw threading. I just undid it so I could take that and match it up to the store with this one here. So I just got a mobile one oil filter, put in fresh oil, so that part's done. If you guys haven't seen the new toolbox video, I did a full review of the Husky 52-inch toolbox. I'll have a thumbnail on the upper right of the screen. Check that out. And I'll also have links in the description down below for all the tools and everything I used. It'll be uploaded on my Amazon storefront page. So if you guys need any of the stuff that I had in the video today, it'll be displayed there for you guys easily to order it. And then help support the channel, so I really appreciate that. Thank you. I've got the intercooler piping off to the store, or no, off to the powder coater. So I'm gonna get the piping done that goes from here. It comes all the way up through here. It's gonna be in a textured black. It's gonna look really clean. And then same thing here. I've got the elbow being powder coated in black, as well as the piping, and then the elbow down here. So when you open up the engine bay, it's gonna look a lot cleaner. Beyond that, later on today, I'm gonna have a separate video. I'm gonna take off the throttle body, and we're gonna clean that out because you can see there's a lot of carbon on the inside there. So that's really dirty, probably causing the car not to run quite properly. And then I want to also take out the idle air control valve. We're going to clean that. The mass airflow sensor on this side, we're going to clean that out. So I've got all my different sprays and cleaning solution. A couple more videos. I'm going to be changing the transmission fluid as well as the rear diff. I've only put about 200 miles on the car since I've had it, and I can just hear a little bit extra noise, especially in the rear diff, so I'm not sure what the fluid and stuff looks like in there. So I figured it'd just be good before I'm getting ready to sell it to just go through that and change it real quick. Go ahead and finish off today's video with one final thing. So I just picked this up from Tacoma Nissan. And this is a brand new R32 R33 center engine ornament. And this thing's gonna look so nice. Freaking awesome. Look how good the finish is on that. Brand new. Looks sick. Having the powder coating and everything done, when we look at the old engine ornament, you can just start to see the imperfections. It's just showing its age. And when you spend all the money to clean this up and clean that up and trying to make the car look good, it just bothers me. So, not that it was essential, but for me it's going to be. And just to give you guys a good comparison, side by side, look at the difference in like the red lettering, so much crisper, the black, there's no imperfections in the aluminum. And this is just held on with adhesive sticky tape, so let's set it in. So excited, that looks so much better. I spent quite a bit of time to get it perfectly centered, left, right, and front to back. So it looks really freaking good. Look how sexy that looks. I think the last thing I'm gonna do is take the sticker off this Nismo strut bar. I don't like the way that looks. Everybody needs a Kakimoto test pipe with a resonator for an R32 GTR. I think it'll fit S13, S14 as well. I don't use it, so if you guys want it, let me know. I'll sell it for like $120 including shipping. I think I paid like $160-ish from right-hand drive to Japan plus shipping to the US, so a little more than 200. Has probably 1,000 miles on it, so it's pretty much brand new. For you guys who follow the channel, I haven't been really uploading too much content recently because my wife, we've been trying to get the house ready for our 4th of July party. So I've been rethatching the grass, reseeding the front grass, the new grass is coming in, trimming up all the plants. I removed all the railing from the front of our house so we have a nice place to sit. There used to be a rail that came across the center here, and it really just enclosed this area because you'd sit down in the chair and there's basically no space, so you had a rail sitting right against your knee. So this opened up the front porch, and then I'll take you guys around the backyard, show you what we've been working on there, and then I'll close up today's video. And lots of pressure washing, all the patio, all the decking, fencing, all that stuff, all pressure washed. What do you guys think? I'm not sure if you guys like when I share more of my personal life, birthday, barbecuing, kind of a little bit more about the house and stuff where I live, or if you just want me to stay strictly business, state of cars, let me know in the comments down below. But anyway guys, that will be it for today's video. I've got more editing and stuff that I have to get done. I've already got the transmission fluid exchange, that's already been done. I still have to edit that video. Rear diff is going to be my next project. So I got lots of stuff for maintenance on the Silvia. If you guys need that type of stuff and that type of content, subscribe to the channel down below. And if you got anything helpful out of this video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And we'll be back with more Skyline and Silvia content. Silvia is looking good. She looks good with her big butt in the air. We are almost there. As soon as I get the intercooler piping back from the powder coater, my goal is basically to be driving this car, daily driving it, in about 2 weeks from now. So you guys stay tuned with me. We're almost done with finally rebuilding this rusty piece of crap from when I first got it. And today's actually Sunday, June 20th. It's my birthday. And I'm going to go out back and celebrate with my family again. We celebrated my birthday a day early yesterday. Today we're doing Father's Day / birthday. I wanted to be celebrated twice. That's what I told my family, so I'm going to go out there and hang out. I'll get this video uploaded, edited, and probably won't be back till next week with my next video because I won't have time to edit it. So I know I did this on the video I did yesterday, which I haven't edited yet. But since it is my birthday today, and it's Father's Day, I figured I'd have one more beer with you guys. Happy birthday. Wherever you guys are at, have a beer with me, let's celebrate, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.